Is this a problem with Microsoft Excel, or am I genuinely doing something wrong? Please add comments to the comment field. Very simple. Test data. I'm going to give you 3 examples, and to me they should all 3 work. I wouldn't normally do it the following ways, but sometimes when you reference a field in a different sheet, it will obviously put in the sheet name, and I've just then brought the formulas back. So in the real world, you wouldn't create this on one sheet. So simple formula, there it is. Calculate the number of days between 2 dates, the number of days between a date and the number of days between a date. And as you can see currently, they are all 3 working 100% with the test data. And we're going to simply do the following quickly. This one I know will work because I've given it the green tick. So we'll go data, sort. My data has headings and we're not going to sort by days. And as you can see, it's now shifted it down to 0, 1 to 5. So very happy that the sort has worked there. Now in this one, I'm just specifying that the one column where the date is. It's in the tab sort days, and there's its cell reference. And again, likewise, I can highlight the array, go to sort. I have headers, and we'll go for days. And this one, lovely. So it's okay with me specifying days, exclamation mark G3 there. Now I've got one more where I'm actually specifying the sheet name in both. So we're specifying that and specifying it there. And here's the difference. We go down to date and days, and I go data sort. My cell has headers, and we go by days. And now you can see that it doesn't sort correctly. 1, 0, 3, 2, 5, 4. So sort is not sorting it if the formula has the reference. And I've looked at it a couple of times. Comma, sort days, comma, exclamation mark, comma, sort days, comma, exclamation mark. Why is it that if I'm specifying the actual sheet name in this formula, is it failing to actually sort the days? Could be me doing something wrong. Open again to any suggestions. Please add them to the comments. Have a good day.